Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Android user tired of that annoying keyboard clicking sound, you're in the right place. In this quick guide for 2025 Android devices, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn it off, making your typing experience quieter and more enjoyable. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your Android phone and head to the home screen. Swipe down from the top to access the quick settings, then tap the gear icon to open the full settings app. It's usually at the top right for easy access. Once you're in settings, use the search bar at the top, it's a lifesaver. Type in keyboard or sound to quickly find what you need. In 2025 Android versions, this makes navigation super efficient. Look for sounds and vibration, or directly system sounds in the list. Now, within the sounds section, scroll down to find options related to keyboard feedback. You'll see settings like keypress sound or keyboard clicks. Simply toggle the switch to turn it off. If it's grayed out or not there, don't worry, we'll cover that next. If you're using a third-party keyboard like Gboard, you might need to go deeper. From Settings, tap on System, then Languages and Input, and select Virtual Keyboard. Choose your keyboard app and look for sound settings inside it. Disable the keypress sound there. After making these changes, open a messaging app or any text field to test it out. Type a few words and listen. If it's silent, you're all set. If the sound persists, restart your device or double-check the settings. Turning off keyboard sounds can help in quiet environments and save battery life too. Remember, steps might vary slightly by device manufacturer like Samsung or Google, but this works for most 2025 Android phones. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. See you in the next video.